Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we'll talk about how to make boring business documents more appealing to those who have to read them. Let's make no bones about it. The vast majority of business documents are long and they are boring. The subject matter is often very dry, and because it's a business document and you have to be professional, you can't break up the monotony with humor or personal anecdotes. Here are a few tips that you can use to make your business documents more palatable. Look at how your document is formatted from a visual perspective. Are you using short sentences in short paragraphs? Do you have spaces between your paragraphs? Is your writing divided into sections with headings and subheadings? A document that looks crowded is harder to read. It just has an exhausting effect on the human brain. Spacing things out a bit and using a reasonable sized font helps a lot. Next, make use of visuals like charts and diagrams, but be careful, you don't want to throw in 1,000 pie charts just for the sake of having them. When properly used, visuals can convey a point very well while breaking up the text. It also gives you the opportunity to use a bit of color. Include a table of contents, especially for long documents. Bear in mind that some people may only read sections of the document that concern them. Someone who has to sift through 50 pages to find one 2-page section will get immensely frustrated. So make it easy for people to navigate through your document. Make use of bulleted lists. They're quick to read and they provide a break from normal paragraph format. Just make sure each bullet point is concise, 1 or 2 lines at the most. Abbreviations and acronyms should generally be avoided, but sometimes there is a place for them. Just put the full meaning in brackets after the first use. These tips will help you create documents that are easier to read. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.